Hi, I'm Fanny of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today we're going to talk about the Shenzhen Tong Bus mini program in the WeChat app. So, the Shenzhen Tong Bus mini program is a feature of the WeChat app. It allows you to go onto the bus using this QR code to scan by the bus people, the people that come around to scan and take your bus fare, or with the machine at the front of the bus. So how do you get it? Go into your WeChat app, go under Discover, scroll to the very bottom. There's a option called Mini Programs. Click on it. You're gonna need to find it, so just put in search and just look for Shenzhen Tong. So the first one that comes up, click on that. So this one that looks like 5 little triangle fishes, we're gonna open that one. It's really easy to set up because it's already in your WeChat app. So first, it's gonna ask you for your phone number. So type in your phone number. And it's gonna send you a code. Alright, once you receive the code, type in the code and register. Great. Once you've registered, you come to this page. You just have to press I agree to the terms and agreement and press the blue button. And again, it'll ask you how you want to pay for this. It says here, you can choose to use your bank card or to use the money from your WeChat wallet. So I'm going to choose to use the money from the WeChat wallet and then press the green button to continue. Now you have to put in your payment password, the password that you use to pay on WeChat, and just to confirm it. And once you've done that, you are now able, once you've done that, now you press the green button to go back, and a QR code will appear. So this is the QR code that you would show to the bus people who's going to scan to scan and take your bus fare. And this is also the one that you're going to scan at the front of the bus. And all the money is going to take from your WeChat account. It's really simple. Now, how do you access this when you're back in your normal app? So you want to load up WeChat. There's 2 ways that you can do this. So the first way is pull down and it'll show the latest mini programs that you have used and click on it. The second way is go back to Discover and scroll to the bottom under Mini Programs, and your mini program is right there, and just click on it and there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Have a great day.